At Fortress, we are always looking for ways to amplify our best-in-class, personalized customer service experience. That's why we've launched FortressView, an interactive 3D platform that takes the guesswork out of exterior home design. This helpful tool makes it easy to take a dream outdoor living space from concept to reality. Here's how. Access FortressView via fortressbp.com/visualizer or via the Inspiration tab on our website. The navigation for the visualizer allows you to start over at any time. Plus, you can register and save your design or access past projects via the My Projects tab. As you build your scene, the controls on the right allow you to change the time of day and the deck height. You can also adjust your perspective and view by clicking and dragging around the scene. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. The navigation on the left of your screen allows you to see each step in the process. Here you can track your progress or skip options. For example, if your project doesn't include stairs, you can easily skip ahead. Start your project by placing an Evolution steel deck frame in the 3D world. Choose from a variety of shapes and configurations. Next, select your decking product from an assortment of Apex and Infinity I-Series colors. You can pick square or grooved boards. You will also have the option to select from various board orientations. And you can even customize the fascia. From there, you can add walls to your scene. Select from attached walls or detached walls for a freestanding deck. Choose between various cladding types and add doors and windows. The next step is stairs. Choose the type of step boards and stair risers. Alter the dimensions of the stairs by simply clicking and dragging to the desired width. Add some bright ideas to your design with Fortress lighting for posts or stairs. You will also be able to customize your scene with a variety of furniture, accessories, and landscaping to provide a realistic impression of your outdoorable living experience. FortressView allows you to virtually see the entire deck system come together in real time. But the real beauty of the FortressView visualizer is the final step. It sends a bill of materials straight to your inbox to serve as a shopping list, helping streamline communication between the homeowner, builder, dealer, and contractor. Remember to save your design via the Save tab. You can access it again at a future time by using the My Projects tab. Defend against the ordinary and explore this revolutionary interactive platform. Try FortressView today at fortressbp.com/visualizer.